What's good, everyone? We're looking at the graph today, GRT, and I know a lot of you right now, especially you probably watching this video right now, you're probably feeling quite a lot of hopium around this particular cryptocurrency. Oh my gosh, GRT is going to go back to its all-time high. I don't have to hold for too much longer. It's finally coming. It's finally here. Well, I do want to talk about a big flaw. I want to tell you guys a little secret around this particular GRT token, what many other influencers out there won't really discuss. They kind of just look at the price of a coin and think, oh yeah, this can still 10x because it got to, $2 before, so why can't it get back to $2 in this current bull cycle, because crypto is so much bigger now, so much better now, so much more popular now. Well, there's so much more behind it, and it is just very, very simple stuff. It's things that you don't get told about that often here in the crypto space. If you're new here, by the way, smash that subscribe button if you want to hit your crypto goals this 2024. The graph GRT currently has a market capital of $2.652 billion. Good stuff, no complaints there. That's really good to see. And, it's $2.6 billion market capital. However, when this coin was sitting at its all-time high, of $2 or something, it had a $5.7 billion market capital. And actually, no, you can see how it's inverse. So this is incorrect. You can see when it was at an all-time high in terms of its price, it was $2.29 in February 2021. However, in February 2021, the market cap was exactly the same. Pretty much exactly where we are now is what I'm trying to say. So the token value has been diluted by the sheer increase of supply. So the project is actually valued exactly where it was before. However, before, each token, it was $2.29 and not just 0.28 cents. So you can see a 90% of reduction, a 90% supply shock because of the increase of tokens that we're seeing here. So I want to jump into a bit more. 325k followers at the moment. One good thing is, yeah, they're painting a new dream, a new picture, a new fantasy. And whilst the graph does have fantastic utility and fundamentals, all of this is still flawed because of the tokenomics model behind it. So the graph has got a new roadmap. You can see the new era of the graph is organized into 5 core objectives, one of being world of data services, the other being developer empowerment, one of them being protocol evolution and resiliency, 4 optimize index and performance, and 5 interconnected graph of data. So pretty cool stuff, and it's good that they've got big visions for 2024 to keep things moving forward, but it doesn't mean that you're going to see your favorite coin or maybe the graph that you've been holding since 2021 hit those all-time highs. Now, just breaking down the sentimental analysis here, we can see on the day, crypto is looking warm, it's looking hot. The month has been so good. February has been wonderful for holders out there. But when you look at 2020, March 2021, June 2021 for GRT, remember the total supply of this token is 10 billion coins. You can see when GRT was trading at its big all-time highs, this was in December 2020. March 2021, June 2021, and this was around COVID, because I remember being out in the Philippines and I remember this coin launching and buying it really early. And this is back here where you got December 2020 when the coin just got listed on CMC, Coin Market Cap. But when it was trading here, for example, in February 2021, the tokenomics, according to this, there was only around sort of 1.7 billion tokens circulating or something like that. Now we're seeing that number multiplied by like 6x. So this is something to consider. And also, it's fine that we're nearly at the total supply, because when you look at what's circulating now, it's 9.4 billion. So we're getting close to that total supply figure, but it does mean it's going to be a lot harder to get a unit cost all-time high this time round. So let me kind of talk about that a bit more as well. You can see they're also burning tokens. We had a $23 million token burn in December. January we had more. January again. So there are token burns in place, but it's not enough to make it deflationary in any single way that's going to really help boost up the price. So let's look. For example, we can see the graph has had 2 amazing points of interest, one being at 0.05, the other being at 0.07. So if you did buy in the bear market, the smart money, you're already winning by a good 4x in price. So these are the people that will happily sell their bags early, or at least take some early profits. If you want to see the graph get back to those astronomical levels, you're going to need to see a 10x from where we currently are. So it's got a 10x again, just to get to its unit cost all-time high, which is technically a 100x from its market capital. So it's a bit confusing in that sense that it's almost counterproductive. So to get back to the $2.29, you're going to need to see a $20 billion valuation now for the graph, and that is doing a 4x on its previous market cap all-time high, which is $5.7 billion. So what I'm trying to say is, in order to see the graph come up to 0.80, you're going to need to see it go to like 10 billion plus market capital. And the same if you want to see it go back to $1. If you want to see it go to like $2.90 again, you're talking a 10x. You're hoping for $20+ billion market capitalization. So do you think that the graph has the power to do that? Because then it will of course make a market cap all-time high, but it won't make a price point all-time high. So realistically, where would I be looking for the graph this time around? I mean, I think it could hit $7.5 billion in the peak of the bull run. So I do think a 0.75 GRT is potentially a realistic area to be looking for around this region here. So upside potential from where we currently are, I think a 3x is possible, because if you did also buy down in the bear market and you rode up to that particular level, that's when you make your 13x. That's where you make your 10x on these altcoins. You don't make 10x on an altcoin usually buying at the top when it's already pumped and you're chasing the green candles, because the upside potential is minimized and the risk is maximized. So it's just counterproductive. Now, I'm not saying we won't see further upside here, because when we break down GRT, it's actually looking pretty strong. We had some tight consolidation, we had a falling wedge. Right now we are seeing a very, very bullish looking ascending triangle, and if we do get a pump here, this could really, really be a nice move here for GRT. We're talking 1618 fib, we're talking 2618 fib, which could give it some upside of around 6% to the upside, or at best 14%. So we're looking to a 6 to 14% potential pump here to the upside on the short-term play for the GRT token, and that's what I'm looking for. We can see we're not too overbought on the RSI, which is another good thing. We are consolidating and holding around this level. Alternatively, we could still just completely flop from where we currently are, lose support and trade back down to like 0.23 or something like that. So just wanted to really talk about it, because it's looking good short term, but long term, getting back to $2 is not really the most realistic target, and it is something where you guys are just holding on hopium, and it could be a dream that never unfortunately unfolds again. So it's got a flaw there in its trifecta of fundamentals. It's scalable, yes, it's secure, yes, but the tokenomics, not really there for me. If you guys want more insights around trading signals and to, of course, help enhance your crypto portfolio and achieve those crypto goals, you can become a patron. The link is down below, where you can sign up to become a crypto legend or a crypto champion, which will give you top inside analysts and sort of insights around trading signals. You get spot trading signals, leverage trading signals. You're going to get early access to DEX launches, stealth launches in the Discord. All of the Patreon benefits are inside the Discord. Just want to reiterate that fact. But if you are someone out there who's enthusiastic about cryptocurrency, but you're a little bit busy and you want all that dirty work, all that legwork done for you, the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord and Patreon right here, just to show you, as you can see, Jacob's Crypto Clan right here. We've got over 400 paying members and over 20,000 Discord members, because the Discord is also free, so you can also just join for free. Become a patron. We've got different levels, different membership levels to suit all different types of budgets as well. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 74 in the crypto markets. We're looking pretty hot right now, and I think it's an exciting time to be in the markets. Definitely don't sleep in these bullish times, but absolutely don't sleep in the bearish times, because that's where you make the most of your money. And we are creating an indicator soon which will help people dollar cost average into cryptocurrencies in the bear market. And 62 days to go, guys. So we've got I would say a fair few more weeks left of bullish price action. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, that really, really help. And thanks for watching this video. Stay crypto safe. Remember, this is not financial advice. And let me know down below what you'd like to see a video on next.